Beauty 911, how may I help you? Hi, I'm struggling with filling in my brows and shaping them. I just can't seem to get it right. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Just keep watching this video and I will show you some easy steps of what you need to do. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your brows are groomed. Next, choose either a pomade or a pencil. And what you want to do is take your angle brush and start from the bottom. When you get to the center, you want to go above and then come back to where the tail end of the brow is. Fill in the front part, connect it to the center. Take the spoolie on the end, brush out so that it looks natural. Next step, take a concealer that's 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. This is where you're going to get the definition for the brow. Take your concealer brush and apply this directly underneath the brow. You see that? You see the difference between this one and this one that's not done? 2 different brow. You want to take a concealer that is the same shade of your skin tone, or you can even do it with your foundation. You just clean the brow up above. Okay, so now that everything is done, you want to take your pencil or your brush. You want to go in the ball of your nose right here, and you want to make sure that that's where the brow starts. You want to go on the side of the nose and cross the pupil of the eye. That's where you want the highest point to be, or your arch. And the same corner of the nose, and go across this part of the eye. You want the brow to stop right there. And if the tail end of the brow reaches there, that means that your brow perfectly shaped your face. And that's how you get perfect brows all the time. Before, after. So guys, if you try any of these tips or tricks and your brows look amazing and somebody compliments you on how well your brows look, be sure to tell them Christine from Belize taught you how. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.